In this video, I want to show you how you can install Microsoft Office 365 to your home computer. First thing we want to do is to log into our student account. So I'm going to go ahead and access the Bucks County Community College portal. So I've already logged into the portal. I also then need to log into my Office 365 account. And so you need to have your Bucks login and your password in order to access this. In the top left-hand corner, you're going to see an icon appear. And as I hover over, you can see that it does say access your Office 365 apps. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then I'm going to see an option that says 365. Here we can see a list of applications. Off to the right-hand side, there is an option that says Install Office. When I select that, I'm going to see two options. One for Office 365 apps, and then for other installs. So if I want to install a version of this to my computer, I'm going to go ahead and select the other install options. From here, I'm going to see the option that I have here now to install Office. You have up to 6 installs, 6 devices that you can install Microsoft Office to as a student. As you can see, I have 3 installs left. I'll then go over, in order to start the download, I need to say Install Office. And what this will do is create a download file. I always like to make sure I know where I'm downloading the file to. So I'm selecting the desktop, and I double check that by selecting it and then saying save. And then I see that the file in the bottom left-hand corner is downloaded. Now I'm using Chrome, so Chrome will show me down on the bottom. If you're using a different browser, you're going to need to search to see where the download file is, which is why I like to save it to the desktop, because then I can always navigate to the desktop in order to locate it. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. It actually tells you right here. So you're then going to click the open. So I'll select this option here and then say open. And then when you're ready to install, you will say yes. And just stay online because you'll see the application being installed. All right. So again, if I were to follow these instructions, I'm going to get the user account control notification asking me if I want to make changes to my device. I don't want to make changes because I already have it installed, so I'm going to say no, but you will say yes, and then you will complete this process. So hopefully this video will show you how to install Microsoft Office.